Alright guys, let's get into it. The offer is Facebook ads for eCom brands, specifically Facebook ad creatives, with the case study of helping Nike. Obviously we didn't work with Nike, it's an example. Boost their conversions by 15% with the hooks we wrote for them. Key thing to note here, what I'm going to be pitching in this email is with the email or the Facebook ad creative hook. The hook of the ad creative. Something super specific about a Facebook ads offer that you can actually pitch in a cold email. And this is a lesson for all of you writing cold emails. You want to pitch a specific aspect of your service that's valuable, that's tangible, and unique. No one else is pitching Facebook ad creative hooks as a CTA, but watch what we're going to do here. Ready? Let's do 1A. Hey, I noticed you're in charge of company names, marketing efforts. We can boost your Facebook ad conversions by 15% by rewriting your ad hooks to grab more attention. Or let's just start with this, just like we did for Nike. Mind if I record a quick video writing 5 viral ad hooks for company name. Now, why does this work? Because I'm getting so specific with the thing I can do for them. Facebook ad creative hooks, viral hooks, something that everyone else is pitching ROAS from their Facebook ads, conversion rate from their Facebook ads. I'm pitching more conversions from your ad hooks, right? Another variation of this. Hey, as the CMO of company name, I'm sure you're looking to test more. I'm sure you're always testing new ad creative for your Facebook ads. I can boost your conversions by 15% by writing viral ad hooks for your campaigns. I recorded a quick video going over a viral ad hook I wrote for company name. Mind if I share the video here? Now, the reason I'm pitching this as a video is because once you're on the video, you can use basically the hook of an ad hook, right? We're hooking them in with an ad hook pitch. On the actual video, you can walk through your entire service. Hey, here's the ad hook I came up with for you guys. Here's how I would pitch this over email. I'm gonna get rid of this, or not that. Here's the ad hook I wrote up for you guys. Here is how I would translate the ad hook into a viral video that you guys can use, and here is how I would set it up in Facebook Ads Manager. Let me know if you're open to a call to discuss how I can do this whole process for you, right? So just like an ad hook, how an ad hook gets the person engaged on an ad, we're hooking them in with a cold email by pitching a viral ad hook, and then on the actual Loom video, you're walking them through the hook, the whole process of what you do, and getting them on the phone, right? The ad hook is only the thing that grabs their attention in the email. The rest on the video is where you explain your full offer and get them on the phone, right? Let's do one more example in email 1, then we'll do some follow-ups. Email 1C. Literally, I want to test a new CTA that says, I wrote up 3 viral ad hooks for you to test in your creatives. Mind if I share them with you here, right? Once again, we want to send over something tangible, even if it's not a Loom video, something tangible that the prospect can see and feel like there's an exchange of value there, right? If they're saying, yes, I would like to see what you have in mind, they should be getting something in return. It shouldn't just be going right for a call. You should be sharing a free resource with them, like a video, like viral ad hooks to test in your creatives, things of that nature, right? So that is why I usually pitch a video, a free resource in my CTA. And let's do one more angle here. I'm like struggling today, but we're going to get through this and I'm going to give you guys some more sauce. Ready? The Trojan Horse angle I always use as a 1D, and I call it the Trojan Horse because it goes something like this. I was hit with one of company names ads yesterday, right? This is a Trojan Horse because we weren't actually hit with one of their ads. We're just saying that so that when they read the email, they're like, oh shit, what is this person seeing with my ad? Let me open it, respond to it, and noticed a few things that are likely hurting your conversions from paid ads or on the ads, right? So now they're like, okay, something's wrong with my conversions. I recorded a quick video breaking down the causes and how to fix them. Mind if I share it with you here? All of a sudden they're like, okay, what is wrong with my ads? I need to see this video. The curiosity is peaked so far that they have to go ahead and watch this, because otherwise they're going to be like, they're going to be sitting there wondering, what is wrong with my ads? Is this a consumer? Is this an agency owner? I don't know, but I need to find out, right? So this piques their curiosity. Let's do 2 follow-ups. So follow-up 1, let's just go for a straight pitch where we can say, our viral ad hooks can boost your Facebook ad performance by 15%, guaranteed, or you don't pay. The ad hooks we wrote for Nike beat all of their controls, and I have the blueprint to help you do the same. Once again, we're writing like a billboard, guys. The follow-ups read almost exactly like the original emails. We're not changing up anything at all. Mind if I share a quick video going over a few ad hook ideas I had in mind for you, right? Follow-up number 2, we're literally writing like a billboard, so every single email in our sequence follows almost the exact same pattern, right? Our viral ad hooks can boost your Facebook ad performance by 15%. What do you think we're going to do in email or follow-up 2? We're going to pitch a video. I recorded a quick video going over 3 viral ad hooks I wrote up for company name to boost your conversions by 15%. Fully guaranteed. Mind if I share the video with you here, right? All of a sudden, this person's like, okay, yeah, let me take a look at the ad creative hooks that they wrote up for me. What's the worst that can happen? You send them a Loom video, you send it over to them, you get the call booked, you close the deal. That's pretty much it, right? Before we go here, I want to show you guys a Loom video strategy guide that I put together that you can follow to pitch your Loom videos in an email. Okay, I'm going to put myself a little bit smaller here. Right, so the list kit guide that I put together, how to create hyper-qualified sales calls using a Loom video cold email strategy. This guide is linked in the description. Go check it out. Go download it. Go print it out, whatever you have to do. This guide basically explains how you pitch the video in your emails, right? So going over the scripts that I just talked to you guys about, right? Scripting out a cold email that will pitch the video. And you're like, great, that's great and all, but what do I do from there? Now I'm going to show you 3 examples of a Loom video that you can record to get people interested. I did one for web design. I did one for pitching a SaaS. I did one for Facebook ads, once again, right? Here are actual Loom videos you guys can copy and send over to prospects to get them booked in. And now you're like, what if I send them a Loom video and I don't get a response? Here's how you make sure that you get a response: by embedding your video as a thumbnail, by sending over a specific template in the email that gets them interested, and with a bunch of follow-up templates you can use to make sure that the call gets booked. So this cold email strategy guide for the Loom video strategy is extremely, extremely valuable for you guys. The link is in the description. Like I said, I'm not going to go through it all in this video for time's sake. Go into the link in my YouTube description, grab this, pitch videos in your cold emails, send the Loom video, get the call booked, close the deal. This is the cold email Loom strategy is the best strategy I've ever came up with. This was just one example for Facebook ads. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Drop a comment with the offer you want me to do next week, because this week was obviously Facebook ad creatives for eCom. Let me know what you want me to do next week, and we will talk on the next video. Peace.